Hey guys, welcome back to RMA Garage. I'm Mark and I'm glad you joined us for another episode of Wednesday Review. In a previous video, I reviewed my Karcher Power Washer and I encourage you to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. And it has been awesome, I love it. But my wife came home the other day and she said, hey, I got something for the power washer. And I asked her what that was and she said it was a quick disconnect kit. I thought, whoa, this could be interesting. So she had already installed it on the power washer and she showed me this empty package. I'm like, great, looks awesome. So what we're gonna do is go over this power washer with these quick disconnects, and I will also leave a description below on where you can purchase this. All right, so let's get to it. So this quick disconnect kit is made by Surfacemaxx, and she bought this at a Lowe's store, and I've tried to find it in other places, but the only place that I can find it is at Lowe's, and you can buy it online. So I will leave a link in the description below on where you can get this. I think it's only going to be Lowe's at this point, just to let you guys know. Okay, so the first fitting that I want to show you is the one that goes on to the hose. Okay, we'll bring this over here. Okay, so this one, I'm not going to take them off, but this fits on the end of your hose. Now I have a little valve here so I can turn my hose off and on right at the end. But what that is this is a receiver and it's spring loaded. It's got O-rings in it. And what this does is this allows me to connect to the power washer and basically takes us to the next fitting, which is the male connection. Whoop. Okay, now it won't fall over. The male connection here, and instead of having to screw the hose into this and have it swivel, all you have to do is snap it right on. So it doesn't get any better than that. Okay, so one other thing is you say, that's great, my hose has the quick disconnect, but I have a sprayer. Well, this kit actually comes with an extra male fitting that will allow you to take this off. No big deal. And you can attach your sprayer right onto it, okay? So now, if it's, you got it screwed into the socket on the outside, and you're done using this, you don't have to take this fitting off and on anytime to use the sprayer. So I kind of like this kit because it comes with an extra fitting for that. So we got the hose plugged in there. The next step is going to be the actual hose itself for the power washer. We'll gingerly take this out. Hopefully it'll go back in nicely. Okay, so now we have two quick disconnects on here. So the one that goes into the power washer is actually the receiver. And what we do is we can plug the hose right into that. And now you have the actual power washer, has a receiver here. Boom. All of a sudden now you've got it, basically this is now all connected. I mean, we did this literally in seconds. Now the wand itself does have a screw fitting, and that's just the nature of this power washer. And I'm not going to put it on, but this is the only part that you have to screw on, which obviously you wouldn't want to disconnect on that. Okay, so when you want to take this thing, put it away, you take that off. We take that off. We put it back in the holder. Okay, I'll do that later. And we take the hose off here, and I'm at a bad position. And there you have it. Everything's ready to be put away. All right, a few more items that I want to go over detail-wise, spec-wise. These quick disconnects are rated for 1,000 PSI minimum to 45 PSI maximum on the power washer. There's also a note on here that the garden hose fitting is a Maxx 100 PSI, which should take care of just about any commercial or any residential home. I can't imagine the pressure being over 100. If you have over 100 PSI at your house, whoa, I can't even imagine. All of the fittings are brass, every single one. So I'm a big brass fan with those. All of my air compressor fittings are brass. I don't like steel. I think the brass lasts a lot longer. And the fittings, they don't actually give you the fitting size on the container, but on Lowe's website, it fits an M22 by 14 millimeter. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Leave a comment or a question and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe because there's gonna be more cool videos, more reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.